The WordPress Media Library stores all your uploaded images, PDFs, videos, and more. To access it, go to Media in the dashboard and click Library. You can upload new files by dragging them in or clicking Add New. WordPress supports common file types like JPEG, PNG, PDF, and MP4. Once uploaded, you can click any file to see its metadata, title, alt text, file URL, and dimensions. Use the search bar or filters to find files by type or upload date. If you need to reuse a file across multiple posts or pages, there's no need to re-upload, just pick it again from the library. You can also bulk, delete, rename, or edit alt text to improve SEO and accessibility. And remember, optimizing image size before uploading keeps your site running smoothly. The Media Library is more than just storage. It's your go-to tool for efficient, organized content management.
Need more help? New Target's tailor-made support plans have you covered. Learn more at newtarget.com.